Moline Campus's Ramon Mondo to share some words with us.
Hitler once says, build a better company by building a better leaders. This morning, with all the busyness that I had, I almost forgot one very important thing, which one of my team remembered. I just realized that I come this far because of a better team. This platform is about manufacturing better leaders. With that, I'd like to honor Bway. I want to honor my team. Thank you very much.
Let's have Mr. Jacqueline Tico Benz recognition. Is Joel Gabas to share some words with us.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Joel Gamas, and I'm bringing my team, the ADG Amazing Diamond Galaxy. My message tonight is just continue dreaming. And along the way, there are so many challenges and hardships. But don't give up. Because when you don't give up, you just continue to reach your dreams. You can do it. Thank you. See you at the top.
And is that Mr. Jacqueline Tico Benz